Choosing the best mirrorless camera for beginners can feel overwhelming, especially with so many powerful options launching in 2026. If you're searching for the best camera for beginners that delivers stunning image quality, easy controls, and real value for your money, you're in the right place. In this video, we break down the best mirrorless cameras of 2026, from budget-friendly picks to top Sony options, so you can start shooting with confidence. Stay with us to discover which mirrorless camera fits your style, your goals, and your budget, and take the first step toward better photography today. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera Review, a smart choice for first-time creators. The Canon EOS R50 with RFS 18 to 45mm STM lens is designed for users stepping into photography and video with confidence. Built around a 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, it delivers sharp images, pleasing colors, and excellent performance in everyday lighting conditions. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus is fast and reliable, making subject tracking and face detection effortless, especially helpful for beginners and solo creators. For video, the EOS R50 stands out with oversampled 4K recording, smooth autofocus transitions, and a fully articulating touchscreen, making it ideal for vlogging, YouTube, and content creation. The compact, lightweight body is easy to carry, while the intuitive menu system ensures a short learning curve for new users. The RFS 18 to 45mm lens adds versatility for travel shots, portraits, and casual video. As an entry-level hybrid camera, it balances simplicity with modern features, offering room to grow without feeling overwhelming. If you are looking for the best mirrorless camera for beginners, the Canon EOS R50 delivers strong value, dependable performance, and creative flexibility for both photos and video in 2026.
Number 4. Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera, ideal starter for photo and video creators. The Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera stands out as a versatile and powerful option for photographers and videographers stepping up their game. With a high-resolution full-frame sensor and advanced autofocus, it captures stunning detail and color richness, whether you're shooting stills or recording cinematic videos. Its reliable eye tracking and subject recognition make it easier to shoot moving subjects, which is especially helpful for beginners transitioning into more serious content creation. For video creators, the Alpha 7 IV offers impressive video specs, including 4K recording with oversampling, smooth frame rates, and flexible profiles that support creative grading. The intuitive touchscreen and ergonomic controls help streamline your workflow, so you stay focused on capturing the moment rather than wrestling with settings. Built-in stabilization and excellent low-light performance further enhance its appeal for filmmaking, vlogging, and multimedia projects. While packed with professional-grade features, the camera remains accessible to first-time full-frame users, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a long-lasting investment in both photography and video. If you want a hybrid camera that grows with your skills and delivers consistent results, this Sony model is a compelling choice. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix S52X Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Great starter choice for creators. The Panasonic Lumix S52X mirrorless camera is a compelling hybrid model that blends strong still photography capabilities with advanced video features, making it a versatile option for new and aspiring creators. Equipped with a 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor and phase hybrid AF, this camera delivers sharp, vibrant images with reliable autofocus performance across different shooting conditions. The robust build and intuitive controls make it approachable for those newer to full-frame systems. Where the S52X truly shines is in its video performance. It supports 5.8K ProRes recording, raw output over HDMI, and IP streaming, offering creative flexibility that suits vloggers, content creators, and independent filmmakers alike. The latest Active IS technology aids in smooth handheld footage, reducing shake for cleaner, professional results without extra gear. The menu system and ergonomics have been thoughtfully designed to help users transition smoothly from beginner to more advanced workflows. Although packed with pro-level functions,
This Panasonic model remains surprisingly user-friendly, bridging the gap between learning fundamentals and exploring more creative video work. For anyone focusing on dynamic content creation and wanting a camera that delivers both photo and video excellence, this is a standout option.
Number 2. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Excellent hybrid choice for creators. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera, body only, is a powerful full-frame option that balances professional-grade performance with accessibility for new photographers and videographers stepping up their craft. Featuring a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor and Canon's renowned image processing, it delivers impressive clarity, color depth, and dynamic range, whether you're shooting stills or recording video. The responsive autofocus system with advanced subject tracking helps keep moving subjects crisp, which is especially useful for action, travel, and everyday shooting. For video creators, the R6 Mark II offers flexible capabilities, including high frame rate 4K recording, reliable stabilization, and Canon's intuitive video menus that make capturing cinematic footage easier for those still learning the ropes. The solid ergonomic design feels comfortable during extended sessions, and the robust battery life ensures fewer interruptions when shooting on location. While this body-only configuration requires separate lenses, it seamlessly integrates with Canon's RF lineup, giving you room to grow creatively. If you want a reliable camera that supports both photo and cinematic video workflows with professional features that won't overwhelm beginners, this Canon full-frame model is a strong contender. Number 1. Nikon Z8 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera, Premium Hybrid Performer for Aspiring Creators. The Nikon Z8 Professional Full-Frame Mirrorless Stills Video Hybrid Camera delivers exceptional performance for photographers and videographers ready to take their creativity to the next level. Built around a powerful full-frame sensor and advanced processing engine, this camera produces stunning imagery with rich detail and dynamic range across diverse lighting conditions. The fast and accurate autofocus system makes tracking subjects effortless, which can shorten the learning curve for users transitioning from entry-level gear. Video creators will appreciate the Z8's robust video specs, including high-resolution recording, flexible frame rates, and professional-grade codecs that support cinematic workflows. Its strong in-body stabilization and heat management design allow for longer recording sessions without sacrifice, and the intuitive interface helps streamline setup and shooting. While this model is designed with seasoned shooters in mind, its responsive controls and well-organized menus make it surprisingly approachable for dedicated beginners who want a system that won't limit future growth. Although positioned at a higher end of the market, this Nikon model offers longevity and versatility for ambitious content creators who plan to shoot both stills and video with confidence. For anyone aiming to learn and evolve within a professional, capable ecosystem, this mirrorless camera represents a compelling investment.